Assuming you have installed into an opt/directory, the NiFi installation directory structure is similar to here, and this is in Apache NiFi. Here, assuming here you can see NiFi directory structure. Assuming you have installed into an opt/directory, the NiFi installation directory structure is similar to here. When you install NiFi and perform the minimum configuration requirement by editing NiFi.properties file, your installation directory contains several files and directories. Assuming you have installed into an opt/directory, the NiFi installation directory structure is similar to this. Here you can see opt is in root, and here NiFi current NiFi-current version is inside opt directory. License, notice, readme, bin directory, config directory, docs, lib, work, content repository, flow file repository, logs, and provenance repository are inside NiFi-version, NiFi-current version directory. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.